This is the backpack that I'm gonna take in the airplane as one of my personal carry-on items, and I'm gonna take this little one as my carry-on, and I get to take two check-in bags with no more than 50 pounds each. And some of these items, if they don't let me have them here, I'm going to take them in my carry-on. This is gonna be my everyday backpack, and I'll show you what I got here. So in the outer package, I wanna get my water bottle, and in this one, I'm gonna carry the selfie light for filming with the phone, because that's what I'm gonna be using for filming for now, and the microphone. Let's see, a gimbal. I wanna carry this handy for some cool shots that I'm gonna learn to take. I have a GoPro stick that it extends very long, and it also has a built-in tripod. And then my drone that I don't even know how to use yet, but I will learn. A smart bag, and this, I'm excited because it holds so much stuff. Check this out. These are all my wires for iPad, watch, the Apple Watch, and iPhone, and the AirPods. And then I have all the cables for my GoPro and my gimbal, my lights, SD cards, SD card readers. What else? What else? What else? What else? I love to be super organized. And here, like floaty for the GoPro batteries, the extra outlets for iPad, iPhone, and all that. Water, a light for underwater, because I'm gonna go swim with the sharks, I hope. Dashboard for my rental, an extension cord with SUV outlets, a hard drive here, super tiny and powerful, iPhone case with lenses attached, the GoPro, and different cases for the GoPro. Oh, can you believe that everything fits in that little, well, it's not little, but that backpack? Okay, what else I got in the backpack? A power bank here that attaches to my backpack, so I don't need to have it out when I'm charging, let's say at the airport. A cord for my laptop. MONOPOD, which is a super long selfie stick for group pictures or 360 pictures. My iPad Pro. I'm so new to all this stuff that I get all the names mixed up, and I call the iPad, I don't know, iPhone, the GoPro, I call it whatever. I make up my own names, but I'm learning, and I'm going to continue to improve. For now, I have a little investment, and I'm able to carry it with me. That was my goal. I'm super excited. So I'm hoping to continue to upload videos. Did I tell you I'm excited? Anyway, I'll see you next time. If you want to know more about me, maybe subscribe or like me, whatever you want. It's all good. See ya.